Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm fantastic. I just wanted to do this look because I wanted to show everybody my foundation routine. So first and foremost, I moisturize. I bought this African extract Rooibos kit. It's a starter kit, and I believe I wanted to just try something new, and I didn't want to break my budget while doing it. So this startup kit is very affordable, and they're just tiny small picks like testers, but it's good for a tryout, and I've just realized that I love them and I'm just going to continue using them. So I just apply it all over my face, and I already did I already did my brows. After moisturizing, I just apply a primer, and I got this primer from my friend. I don't know where she got it from. So I do just that and apply the primer and blend it into my skin. As y'all can see in this look, I have crazy eye bags. I don't know what's wrong with my eyes. I didn't even want to shoot this video, but I'm like, you know what, let me just do it. But it happens once in a while. I just have to go see the doctor and get eye drops, and then it will go away. After priming and tapping it in, I realized I forgot to remove my nose ring, and then I go with this, my favorite spray. It's a Rimmel Insta Gold. I also use it for setting and for priming, and I really love this. It's just amazing. It takes my look from this to that. And I just tap that in, and I'm using the Maybelline foundation, and just 2 pumps of it, nothing too much, and it's in the shade Chestnut, and I just tap it into my face using a brush. So this is the fundamental of this video, so let me just explain properly. I take my brush, angle brush, and just tap the product into my skin. I don't apply too much product, and for me, the step for me, I don't like using a brush. So this step is basically just me spreading the foundation all over my face. So I take the brush and tap, as you can see in the video, that I just tap all over my face and apply it all over my face. And then after applying my face, I make sure I apply a little bit on my ears and on my neck. The leftovers that's on the brush, that's what I use to spread it all over my neck. And then I take a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. My beauty blenders, usually I soak them in hot water, and then I squeeze the water out and take a towel and squeeze all the water out so that it can be damped, not wet, because it will just remove your foundation and it will be all over the place, and you tap it in. Why I like the beauty blender is because it gives me a skin-like finish. As you will see in the end, the foundation will look just like my skin, instead of like in the first time where it was like all thick and too much. I kind of really like a natural looking foundation. Hence I follow this, and I also take the beauty blender and blend it a little bit on my eyelids, because I like to apply foundation there instead of concealer. I know a lot of people apply concealer. If I'm not doing any eyeshadow, I just apply foundation and not concealer, but I will set my eyelids using my translucent powder, so it will be the same shade as where I conceal. But yeah, and you just tap until you can see that there's no demarcation line, there's no skin peeping through, there's no creasing, and everything is just blended nicely. And don't forget to blend your neck and your ears. And then yeah, I was just checking it out. I'm satisfied. Then I use this Candid Concealer, and I just apply it under my eyes. Often what I do is I don't really apply too much of this, and thank God this is a medium coverage concealer. And maybe if you don't like this, you can also try LA Girl. I also like LA Girl, but lately I've been loving this, and I'm that kind of person, if I love something, I stick to it. I don't really want to change. But yeah, for now I've been using this quite often. So I take the other side of the beauty blender and blend. I start like when I blend my concealer, I always look up. I always make sure my under eye is straight as possible, because I have a lot of eye bags even on a normal day, and I tend to crease a lot under my eyes. So I just make sure I keep special attention to that. I don't apply concealer on my mustache area, because I have a mustache situation a little bit, and I don't like it being too cakey down there. So I just apply like the leftovers from the beauty blender, sorry. So I take the area that I used to blend my foundation and just blend the edges of the concealer. Trust me guys, this is a pro tip and you will like it a lot. It will make everything look flawless. Now I'm just blending my eyes again, and I dip into that powder, my loose powder, and I tap and I blow the excess and I tap it into my eyes. Tap it into my eyes. I'm not gonna bake because I'm gonna crease, because I have such bad eye bags. My eyes are literally solid. Yeah, but yeah, I just dip the beauty blender into the powder, blow off the excess, and just tap the remainder that is on the beauty blender onto my face, and I just onto my eyes, and make sure you look up while you're doing that. And I just do the same all over my face, but on my nose is a bit different. I like to bake because that's the first place that the foundation comes off, and you start to see my skin peeping through as time goes on, because I'm a little bit oily in that area. So I make sure I bake, and as I said, I apply a little bit on my eyelids also. So now I just take my image powder, setting powder, and just contour with it. It's in the shade 10. Just a very light contour. I don't like anything crazy when it comes to contour. Often I don't even contour, but this is how I do it if I do it. So I just apply the contour on my jawline. I like that because I kind of think I have a double chin, but I'm not sure, but I think so. So after doing that, I apply a little bit of it on my nose, not too much of it. I don't like a harsh contour on my nose. Like I do it as light as possible. Sometimes I even skip this step, but yeah. And then I take this powder, the setting powder. I love it. It's in the shade caramel. It's my skin color. And then I just use it to blend everything in my face together so that everything looks put together. And I also use it to remove the baking situation around my nose. And I use it to set my neck and ears because I just applied foundation. I didn't set. So yeah, so that it doesn't budge or go anywhere. This is a nice powder. And then I set everything using the spray. And when my face is still wet, I just take my all-time favorite Wild Cosmetic highlighter and I just tap it into my skin. And on my nose, I just apply very little bit, and on the center of my nose where I highlighted, not on my entire nose. Like that's how I like it. Some people apply it on their nose. I feel it looks a little bit weird, but that's not me. And then I applied on my Cupid bows, and yeah, that's it. I went in and did a small liner situation in my lipstick. And this is a wig that was made by a friend of mine. I just told her that I'm gonna feature it into one of my videos, and I just wanted to support her. She's starting up her wig making business, and I think for the price it's not bad, because this wig is 300 rand. And yeah, it is a synthetic wig, and yeah, so far so good. It doesn't tangle too much as I expected it to, because it's in synthetic. But yeah, as you can see, it looks fly on me. And yeah, I'll leave all the details in my description box. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the look. That is my foundation routine, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share to just support me. And everybody who has been supporting me, I love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you so much. And yeah, that is the final look. Thank you so much. Bye guys.